subscribe to our channel KK with Gaming and hit the bell icon to get notification of every video we upload.
Hello my friends, it's me from KK with Gaming, and my friends, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password. This video do not encourage you to change other password. This is for educational purpose, so that you can learn how to change Wi-Fi password. You can use this to change your Wi-Fi password. So let's get started. And my friends, first of all, you should connect it to your Wi-Fi. Sorry, my friends. And after that, you can use this method. So first of all, go to your Chrome or any one browser. Open it and clear this. Okay, my friends. Just type in 192.168.1.1. okay my friends. After that, you have to fill your username. If you are using this for first time, your username will be admin, so fill up admin. And my friends, I will stop my video for short time because I have my secret password, so I will be back after entering the password. Yeah my friends, I have entered my password. Then go to login, and my friends, it will say like this: you want to save this site to your Google Chrome. I don't want, so I will say never. And it will open it first of all like this. You have just go to your interface setup, and you have to do not change anything from this. And you should go to wireless setting and scroll down, and my friends, you will see this yes ID. And after that, it is your Wi-Fi name. So if you want to give name, you can give. So I will give you can give name. I will say name. After that, it's a pre-shared key. So in that, you can change your Wi-Fi password. Okay my friends, I will also give it by saying password. Clear this, and after that, enter this save button or hit this save button. Okay, it will take time my friends. Yeah, this page is gone. Let's go back. Let's go to settings. My friends, there is only one name. There is a name Wi-Fi that we have changed this password. Let's try. This password is password also. Add a password. Let's try to connect it. Yeah my friends, it connected. And my friends, by this you can change your Wi-Fi password. And at last, I want to say that do not use this method to change other password or disturb other people. This is for educational purposes my friends. And my friends, I think this for today. Peace out.